I'll be flashing the technical specs para just pause it para ma-save nyo. So, Race E is the base variant. Meron ding Race G and the Turbo for the top of the line. So, before we begin, meron kaming trade-in, guys. Alright? We accept other brands for trade-in. Pwede mo yung gamitin pang down payment. And also what? You can transfer your approval. Just in case yung approval mo nasa ibang brand, transfer mo na dito yan. Alright, let's begin. I-save nyo yung technical specs na finlash ko. Right? In the meantime, ito talaga, iikutan natin to. Ikutan muna natin yung outside, then pasok tayo sa loob. So, even na base variant to, guys, meron tong fog lights. Okay? So, that's the signal light. Diyan, ha? Right? So, ang ganda nung bumper niya. Hindi siya totally honeycomb, pero yan yung grills niya. Okay? So look at the headlight. Yan. This one is halogen, hindi pa siya LED. Kung gusto niyo yung LED, that's the mid variant. Okay? This one is silver. Guys, even na base model to, meron siyang integrated signal light. Solid. Dual VVT-I. So, anong size ng mags natin? 16. So, 16 siya. Chrome metallic. Right? Bridgestone tires. So, dito, wala tayong smart entry. Okay? May susian pa rin naman. Body color yung door handles. Right? Meron tayong shark fin, antenna. Okay? So guys, i-introhan ko na kayo. Very rare. Madalang ang supply ng Race E. More on Race G ang supply sa Pinas. Even the Turbo, more on Race G talaga. And heads upan ko na kayo, unahan ko na kayo. Madalas walang low down dito. Right? Para dun sa mga nagka-canvas lagi ng low down. Okay? So meron tayong backing sensor, dalawa. Reflector light, okay? And wala tong backing camera. So yung Race G, meron yung backing camera. Actually yung Race G, almost complete na eh. Okay? Pero dito, of course, syempre, depende yan sa budget natin. Right? So, yan, merong hawakan dito eh. Oh. So, ito yung compartment natin. Spacious naman siya, guys. Lalo na kung ifo-fold nyo itong dalawang sandalan na to. Okay. So, yan. Okay, kita nyo yung space. And by the way, guys, meron din akong vlog for the Race Turbo and the Race G, the mid variant. Kita nyo kung gaano ka-spacious naman. Right. So, let's look at the spare tire. Yun. Tayo magulat to. So, may kasama na itong carpet, of course. Mags yung spare tire natin. It's not donut type. Okay? So, meron tayong auxiliary light dito. Okay? Just in case for emergency, kapag nasa dark areas tayo. Okay? Yan. Okay, so meron tayong pocket dito. Okay. Nice. So, ito yung design ng ating door panel. Okay. Silver accent. Right? So, ito is hard plastic. Hard plastic. Speaker. Cup holder. Dalawang cup holder. Extended. All hard plastic. So, ito yung controls natin sa windows. Of course, 4 na window, central lock ng window, meron tayong cursor to adjust the mirrors, then ito yung selector natin, left or right. Then meron yung red accent dito sa loob. Right? So, ang adjustment natin ito yung adjustment natin ng seat. Okay, ito yung sandalan, right? By the way, nandito yung tire pressure natin, reference. And wala siyang seat height adjuster. Okay? Pero sa mid variant, meron tong seat height adjuster. Okay? Ito yung pang-open ng hood, traction control. And by the way guys, ito, ulitin ko lang. Ito mga to, ano nga ba to? Okay? Wala namang pindutan. Abang yan guys, just in case in the future you want to upgrade your race. Okay? Dito mo ilalagay yung button. One example is, just in case gusto pa magdagdag na maraming fog lights, okay, dito mo ilalagay on-off switch niya. So this one, cup holder, right? Aircon vent design, red accent. Okay, let's go inside. So ito yung volume control niya, guys. Okay, skip. This mode is the shortcut button, just in case you want to cycle between AM, FM, Bluetooth. Okay, this one is for the infotainment shortcut. Answer call, voice command. Of course, nandito yung busina natin, the emblem, silver accent, right? This one is, okay, para siyang leather, pero plastic siya. So, nandito yung power button. In case, pag pinindot mo yan, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. Okay? Then, ang ating speedometer is analog. Okay? Maganda pa rin yan. May mga tao pa rin na clients tayo na mas prefer nila tong analog versus the digital. Okay? So, meron tong small digital dito. Usually, nandito yung adjustment, yung settings ng sasakyan. Okay? Meron tayong 4 na adjustment dito. Right? So, same adjustment, same modes dito. Ito yung mga wipers natin. Headlight and signal light. Okay? Then moving on, so ganito kalaki yung monitor niya. Okay? At price point guys, ang price nito is 847. Volume button, so meron tayong USB connectivity dito. Back button, right? Home button. Hazard, aircon vent. Okay? So, ito yung thermostat control natin. Thermostat on off, max cool. So one push button, max na agad yung aircon blower niya. So ito yung air circulation na, whether kung papasukin yung air outside or not, or within the cabin lang siya. Okay, dito wala. Then rear defogger, off button, blower control. Then meron tayong power supply dito, yung classic, yung bilog. And meron pa din USB power supply. Kita nyo? That's a USB power supply. And look at this shift knob. It's inline design. Okay? Meron tayong park, reverse, neutral, drive with plus minus. So, classic ang ating handbrake. Sobrang ganda niyan. Hindi mo na kailangan tumingin dito. Just grab and brake, man. So, ito meron tayong center pocket dito. Okay, hindi siya kalakihan pero enough siya, maganda. Then, ito meron tayong seat dito. Okay, meron siyang red accent design dito. Okay. Ito para siyang gamusa pero not. Okay, yan yung design niya. So, it's all fabric. Okay. So, same design at the passenger, front passenger, yung door panel natin. Then, look at this glove compartment. Okay. Yan. So, another cup holder dito sa passenger. And ang ganda ng design ng ating aircon vent. Hard plastic. Okay. Nice. So, look at the rear view mirror. Okay. It's manual. Ayan. Just in case, yan, sinisilaw ka ng kotse sa likod. And let's move on at the headliner. So, tignan nga natin to. Okay. Yan. Merong mirror dito. Yan, para sa passenger nyo sa front. And look at this. Yan, cabin light. So, meron siyang door function. Of course, yung door function, just in case, meron palang naka-open na door. Just to remind you, off button, individually on. Individual on, okay? So, this one is the seatbelt reminder. Okay? Just to remind you kung sino pala yung hindi naka-seatbelt. Alright. And dito, meron tayong mirror. Ganda. Hindi lahat. Yung mga ibang Toyota models, hindi lahat mayroong mirror dyan. Pero dito, wala tayong handle. Just to keep you focused at the steering wheel. Right? So, that's the first row. And by the way, meron tayong pocket dito. Yan, kita nyo to. Yan. Pwede itong lagayan ng phone or coins or cards. Nandito yan sa ilalim. Nice. And dito, pwede rin yung phone dito. Right? Nice. So, that's the first row cabin. Sobrang bihira ng Race E, guys. And hindi rin dito madalas ang discount. Hindi ko kayo dinidiscourage for this, pero wala dito madalas yung promo. Okay? Nasa Race G ang madalas na promo. Pero dito, mas mababa yung magiging monthly nyo, of course, because of the price point, 847 versus the Race G na 942 and the Turbo at 1,069,000. So this is the door panel. Yan, this is for the second row. Okay? So door mechanism, lock, window, handle. This is all hard plastic. Okay? So one cup holder, hindi siya extended, and another speaker. Okay? All fabric design. Okay? 3 headrest. Okay? Very important din yung mga headrest yan, just to prevent some whiplash. Right? Nice. Let's go inside. Ano ba na dito center? Okay? So this one is plain. Wala tayong power source dito. Pero may lagayan tayo ng file. Okay? So, same design at the other side. And meron tayong center cabin light. Ganda. So, meron din door function. Just to remind you na may naka-open na door. Off and just lit on. Okay, nice. Meron tayong hawakan. At both sides dito sa second row. Solve. Super nice. That's the Race G. Okay? A very budget friendly. Merong wiper, of course. High stop mount lamp. Okay? Added safety. So that's badge for the Race E variant. Nice. So, punta tayo ulit sa harap. Oh, that's the Corolla Cross. Yan, just in case guys, interested kayo dito Maganda rin siya, 1.8 engine, all variants are hybrid. And I think that's a V variant because of the mags is two-tone. So going back sa race. Yan. So that's the Race E, guys. It's the base variant. Okay? Guys, huwag kayo maya tumawag. Call me, chat me. I have my Viber, WhatsApp, Facebook. So, ito naman lagi outro ko, guys. We accept trade-in kahit ibang brands yan. Use it as down payment. Then just in case meron ka palang approval sa ibang brand. Okay? Transfer mo na dito yan. Alright? Bye!